take a look at this rack. So from what I can see right here, we have a little bit of a problem right there. The 13 does go. And then it looks like if we were to take solids, we have a little problem here, only being able to shoot the 7 in that pocket. However, we do have a ball that we can take to get to that shot. Looking back here, we can try to get rid of that problem ball right away. We also have another little issue on the 5. So in this rack, I think I will go ahead and take the solids, trying to set up for that 7 right away, and then get into the 2. Alright, so we got pretty good on this. I should be able to roll forward, setting up for that 2 ball. Ideally, I leave a little bit of angle on this 2 ball so that I can come back up and take the 5, since that's our next problem ball, and then from here we should be able to clear out the middle of the table. Alright, did not get as much angle as I wanted, so we may have to put a little bit of spin on this one. I'm kind of going to stun this ball up, trying to leave me shape on that 5. Got it off the rail. From here we really are just, stop shot on the 4 ball gives us the 3, and then we should be able to spin back out, getting on the 1, leaving us the shot for the 8 ball into the corner. So as long as we make this, we should be in pretty good shape. Okay, we got good on this 4. I'll play this as a stop shot, leaving me the shot on the 3 ball, which I can then draw back and take the 1. Okay, now with this 3, we got to be careful when we draw this back that we don't run into the 11. If we just graze the edge, that should be okay. But ideally we spin back right about in this area to be able to take the 1 and finish on the 8. Okay, got pretty darn good on that one. Just got a little bit of an angle here actually on this 1. I'm going to play this with a little bit of left spin so that when it hits this rail, the cue ball goes left and sets us up for that 8. Just like that. Now we have our 8 ball. Nice and easy, smooth stroke on these.